And look what happened to the paper towel. The water gets up and go to the other container. Science experiment time. Hi guys, today we will do a science experiment to learn about water. So first you will put the water inside the glass. Bigat nito. We will add more water. Now we will add color to the container.
Wow.
It's so fast. It's so fast. Mix. Do.
There. Wow.
Whoa.
Awesome.
Oh. This is red, this is yellow, and this is blue. I don't look like dark blue, like the ocean.
Okay, and for the final color. Whoa!
Whoa! It looks like black. It looks like black.
But actually, it's purple, di ba?
Yeah. It's purple, but it's like black.
Let us focus. Oh, yeah. Later, we will see what will happen.
And now we'll fold the paper towel.
Okay, next towel.
Next step, put the empty glass in between. And now we will put the paper towels.
Okay. Next. Okay, next. Okay, don't miss a spot. Okay.
Ano ito?
Here.
Ito?
Yes.
We're done. And now we will wait.
A few moments later.
what happened to the paper towel. The water gets up and go to the other container. The three empty glasses have water.
Okay, so what happened here, baby K, is that the water from this bottle, dati puno siya hanggang dito, di ba?
Okay, yeah.
It traveled from here, going here, and the water from here, going here also traveled. So, almost the same na sila ng level, oh. Halos the same. This one is a little bit taller pa. But in a while, if we leave them that way, then magli-level na yan sila the same.
Mommy.
This one is just a little water pa lang ang
Mama,
nag-travel.
parang green.
Yeah, which one?
This one.
Yeah, because here it's blue tapos yellow. And when you mix yellow and blue, it makes green. This one, parang orange. Kasi,
It's yellow-orange.
yeah, when you mix red and yellow, it makes orange. This action, the traveling of the water from one container to the other container, is called capillary action.
Capillary action is a principle which explains why fluids are often drawn up into other substances. It is also known as capillarity. An example of this is a tree sucking up water in the ground by its cellulose fibers that form small capillaries known as xylem. As the fluid gets drawn up, it forms a meniscus along the edges of the xylem. The surface tension in the water causes the water to climb up as the meniscus forms. Now let's take the paper towels out to see what it looks like.
Okay, where do you want to start? So blue. Okay. Whoop! Oh! I'll help you. Okay,
So this is the paper towel looks like.
let's see.
It's broken. Oh no.
Oh, so the combination of red and yellow and red, those are combinations.
And these ones are not combinations.
Oh, this one is a combination, and this one is lighter.
And
And
look at this. This
yeah.
is lighter and this is spot lighter and this is dark.
yes.
Guys, hope you like this video.